Alright guys, I don't know if you guys watched my last video, but we're going to touch on this these LED headlights from this Formula J87 off of eBay. 72 watt, 7600 lumens. It's a 9007 bulb, but what I said was the directions were kind of pitiful, I would say. You know, there's no really written instructions till you get down here, and that's about it. You look at this first one. In order to take it apart, you twist here and pull up. Well, that's not right. What they didn't show you is really what the first step of it is. Instead of having to cut the little retainer that holds the bulb in, get this right here. So you got the glass here. You have this that has to come off there. There are some other vehicles, some other brands. They have Allen bolts, something like that, where you can take them off or turn them, whatever's needed. This one right here, come on, focus. There we go. This piece right here, just twist off. Don't go twisting on the bottom half where it shows you on the picture, or you'll crack one of these lights or one of these glass. And then you can just turn it, and this piece slides right off. And that's that. You can put the little coupler that holds the bulb on here, put this piece back on there, slide it, lock into place, put your glass back on there, and end up putting your little screw cap, whatever it is, back on there. Put it back together, and it should fit inside your headlights housing. You may need to clock it a certain way, but I figured I'd do a little how-to on these headlights to get them apart. I haven't seen any online. I've seen this guy's YouTube page, but he does not talk about how to install them. He just shows how bright they are, which I granted they are bright. They just didn't work well for me. And the other thing I noticed with these was I had some radio interference. I don't know if it was this box, but when the headlights were on, I'd get static. So anyways, there's a quick update, quick how-to, whatever you want to call it, on if you guys decide to buy these. Now, the LED fog lights didn't have any of that. They locked right into place on my truck. Now they may be different on other vehicles. I'm not sure. Again, this is my first step into LED bulbs. And that's that. Formula J87. You probably need some better instructions here. I don't know if anybody else has complained, or maybe it's just me. I mean, once I saw it, it was just like, well, no duh. But when you go twisting on the part it tells you twist on, it doesn't come off. So anyways, hope you guys have a good day.